Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week we're doing something really special. It's a black and white floral illustration sketch for Mother's Day. So if you already haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, do so now. It is going to be a bunch of fun tutorials across art, craft, and a lot of product reviews which are going to be super helpful. Now on to the tutorial. What I have done is I have sketched out the alphabets MOM already in my sketchbook using a pencil. If you want the template for this, leave a comment below and I'll send it across to you. And what I have done is now I have taken my fine liner pen in 0.5 mm and I'm going over the outlines of these alphabets using a ruler because I like my lines to be really precise and straight. If you can do this freehand and if you're confident about it, then you can do that as well. There is no pressure. Also, once all of your outlines are done, give the ink a couple of seconds to dry and then erase the pencil lines before going in further with the detailing of this illustration. Now, once this is ready, I have started drawing the flowers freehand without any prior drawing of the flowers with a pencil because the flowers are so easy. Now, if you're not confident about this or if you're trying this activity with a child, then I would suggest draw the flowers with a pencil using a light hand and then go over it with the pen and do the same thing again. So once the ink dries, erase the pencil marks before going in for the further detailing bit of it. Now once all my flowers were ready, I have gone and colored the center of the flowers and I have given further strokes in the petals. Also, I have linked all the materials in the description box below, so do check it out. Once all of your strokes and lines are in place and you're satisfied with the results, then I have moved on further to add some filler flowers to fill the white empty space along with leaves and a little bit of detailing here and there. Now, don't lose your patience here. This may take a little bit of your time, but trust me, the final results are definitely worth it. I have gone a little overboard with filling up the empty space. You do not have to do so much. You can stop when you feel that this is enough. And at any point of time, if you feel that you want to change the shape of the flower, of the filler flowers or the main flowers, that is also completely your choice. Now, once I was happy with all the flowers, the filler flowers and the frills on the side, I started coloring the balanced negative space in black so that my actual design can pop out. So basically just filling in the background. Also, what I like about this tutorial is that you can use it in multiple ways. Now, you can either just frame this as a painting and gift it to your mom, or you can instead make it on a cardstock, like a double folded cardstock, and turn this into a greeting card. So, yeah, that's that. Now, while I was finishing this, I felt that the contrast between the black and the white was not very evident and was getting a little mixed. So, to change that a bit, I got my white pen out and I started marking a little bit of pollens in the center of each of the flowers to balance it out, and it worked perfectly fine. So sometimes you do make a little error here and there, but then there are always ways to rectify that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Do let me know how you like it, and don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next week.